Welcome to the Ridge, where you can own this magnificent and spacious 1,477 square foot home with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The layout is open and spacious with big windows, fireplace and beautiful kitchen. The quality of the finish is first class, including masonry and maintenance-free exteriors, hardwood floors, tile and baths and laundry, granite countertops. Options available for lower level: either unfinished with plenty of storage for additional $20,000, or fully finished where you canhave a 3rd bedroom, 3rd bathroom, home theater, exercise room and plenty of storage for additional $25,000 plus. The lower level is a game changer, built with the Great Lakes Superior Wall System. Lower level options include full windows on 2 sides which provide the look and feel of any upper level space. Large 2-car garage with storage. Brand new with options for customization. Note: this lot requires an additional premium of $8,000. Call or text Joy.